Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm diving into the world of drag and drop website builders. As a web developer, I've always been fascinated by the concept of creating beautiful websites with ease. So I decided to embark on a journey to explore platforms like Webflow and Wordpress to find inspiration and perhaps even build my own. Before diving in, I wanted to take some time to research and gather inspiration. From sleek portfolios to vibrant e-commerce sites, these platforms offer a plethora of design possibilities. I am particularly drawn to the intuitive interfaces and flexibility they provide. Let's start with Webflow. The interface is sleek and user-friendly, allowing me to visually design every aspect of the website. From adjusting layout grids to fine-tuning animations, the possibilities are endless. Next up, WordPress. While it may not offer the same level of visual design freedom as Webflow, its extensive library of themes and plugins opens up a world of possibilities. Plus, its robust content management system makes it a favorite among bloggers and businesses alike. As I dive deeper into building with these drag and drop website builders, I can't help but feel inspired by the creative potential they offer. From hobbyists to professionals, anyone can bring their vision to life without needing to write a single line of code. But why stop at just exploring existing platforms when I can push the boundaries and create something entirely new? That's where Next.js comes into play. As a React framework, Next.js offers the perfect foundation for building dynamic web applications. Armed with the power of Next.js, I'm diving headfirst into building my very own drag and drop website builder from scratch. This isn't just about creating a website, it's about empowering others to unleash their creativity and build something truly unique. Building a drag and drop website builder from scratch is no easy feat, but the journey itself is incredibly rewarding. Now let's take a look at the architecture of what we'll be building. So we'll have a global state provider or the state manager of the editor, and inside that you'll have all of the components, because all of the components need access to all of the methods of the provider, right? That's what React Redux usually does. So on the right side you'll have all the components that you can drag and drop. And what happens once you drag and drop a text? So basically the entire editor area will be a container, which is also an element that we can drag and drop, and this container will have an on drop method, and this on drop method is nothing but a switch statement which takes the case of each element being drag and drop. So this is nothing but a dispatch statement, and this dispatch is nothing but doing the work of calling an action that is written inside the provider, right? So this will have a state.add element to add an element to the editor, and likewise it will have maybe something like state.update and something like state.delete, right? So pretty straightforward stuff. And as you can see, we will have a recursive element. So this recursive element basically takes the case of whether it's a container or a text or a two-column container and returns the elements respectively. You'll see it in action. And in the case of a two-column container, what happens is this basically divides the enclosing div into two columns, and this two-column container can also have an on-drop method, because you can drag and drop any of these items onto the two-column container as well. You can drag and drop a text, an image, a video, or a link on this two-column container. So an example would be, here you drop a text and name it text, and you resize it to fill in the entire width, and here you maybe have an image, right? And this two-column container will also be a recursive element which returns any one of the text or container or link or whatever. So this is the basic building block of what we are building, and I've already built out a demo for you guys, because that's what this whole video is about.